Hi, my name is Teeny. Today I will show you through this video various techniques on grooming your rabbit safely. Grooming a rabbit is not only a good time to bond with your rabbit, but also a great time to check on its overall health. Rabbits, like cats, are fastidious groomers. What this means is they like keeping themselves really clean. So as long as you provide them with a healthy diet and keep their living areas clean, they will mostly do the rest. However, sometimes they do still need our help. Rabbits shed once every 3 months, alternating between a light and a heavy shed. Rabbits can lose a lot of fur during a heavy shed and may develop bald areas. Thus, we need to remove the dead hair, because if we don't, it'll get ingested in the rabbit and it can cause serious digestive problems. During a heavy shed, you can gently pull out loose hairs with your fingers and follow up with a brushing. Dampening your hands with water and stroking your rabbit from head to tail can also remove dead fur. If your rabbit is going through a heavy shed, you should brush them every day. Brushing should be done in the direction of the coat. If you reverse the stroke from tail to head, you will damage the fur. Be careful when selecting a brush for a rabbit. Although their coats are fairly thick, the skin underneath is very delicate, and you do not want to injure the skin with a painful brush. For that reason, slicker brushes like this are not very appropriate at all, unless your rabbit is experiencing a very heavy shed. A bristle brush like this is much more appropriate for daily grooming. Remember, you want your rabbit to enjoy grooming time, not dread it. Okay, rabbits do not need to be bathed as they keep themselves really clean. The fact is, for most rabbits, bathing is an incredibly stressful experience. Thus, it's important not to subject them to this unnecessary trauma. If your rabbit has only a small area of its body that needs to be cleaned, spot clean that area with only plain water. Many shampoos contain harmful ingredients, so using plain water is safest. In Sugar's case here, she's a little chunky, especially around the tummy area. Female rabbits tend to get a little overweight, so she has a problem bending down to clean her butt, so I help her. Depending on the severity, you should clean the affected area every other day to once a week. First, you want to make sure you have the necessary cleaning supplies, for example, water, tissues, a trash bin, scissors, a brush, etc. Next, get your rabbit in a position that makes it easy for you to do the cleaning. I like to sit on the floor with my legs stretched out and have Sugar facing up. Sugar's in what we call a bunny trance. Rabbits get more relaxed in this position and it enables you to do the necessary cleaning. It should be fairly easy to trance your rabbit once you get them in this position, but if you're having problems, a towel over the eyes helps calm them down. Then you want to remove any poo that is stuck near her butthole. The poo is usually stuck in between the folds of her skin, so gently push that back so you can get to the poo. Then you want to dampen the tissue and clean the area. Do this until the area is all clean. You may also notice clumps of fur on your rabbit. These are called mats, similar to when our hair gets tangled. It's important not to try to comb these mats out, as yanking the rabbit's fur will cause bleeding. What you want to do is to carefully snip these mats off and check with your fingers first that you're not snipping the rabbit's skin. While you're handling your rabbit, do check for the following as well. Examine ears for signs of waxy buildup, debris, or any foul smell. Dark wax or the appearance of dirt in the ears can be a sign of ear mites. Remember, never ever stick a cotton swab or any other such items into the rabbit's ear canal. Check for crusty, flaky skin with bald patches, as this is usually a symptom of mites. Lumps, sores, or any kind of inflammation may be an indication of disease or infection, and you should bring your rabbit to see the vet immediately. Rabbits' teeth grow continuously and must be checked to make sure that they're wearing down properly. It's no problem if your rabbit has straight teeth, but if your rabbit has crooked teeth or what we call malocclusions, you'll need to bring it to the vet to have its teeth trimmed. If left untreated, your rabbit will not be able to eat and may even starve to death. When you're brushing and combing your pet, keep an eye out for fleas. Rabbits that are housed indoors seldom have fleas, but if you do spot some, do contact your vet. While you're handling your rabbit, check its eyes for any kind of discharge. Examine the bottoms of its feet for any kinds of sores. Check under its chin and make sure that its scent glands are not swollen or infected. With regular and proper grooming, you can be assured of a happy, healthy pet. Good luck!
Monkey see, monkey like, monkey do. BananaMana.com